So this is a dwarf banana. You're watching Steam Agriculturist TV, aquaponics in Nigeria. I am Rista Farms Aquaponics Nigeria. You can see this is where we culture Azola and this is duckweed. So these two things you see has a lot of advantage and benefit. So if you're a farmer and you don't know what you can use this for, I think you need to come for a training in Rista Farms. You're watching Steam Agriculturist TV. I am Rista Farms Aquaponics Nigeria. Best aquaponics in Nigeria. Don't forget, you're watching Steam Agriculturist TV.